This is my Trackmaster Whiff that I got in, excuse me, in 2011, December 2011. As it is, I now have, I painted his running plate despite the reddish part on the white. I painted his running plate white. I wanted to make him look real, and I also painted his cab windows on. There. Don't see them anyway, I'll get back to that later on. Now let's talk about Whiff. Whiff was introduced in Emily's Rubbish. And that was Emily was to work with Whiff, but she kept on getting away from him. That was not a good thing to do. She had to clean the rubbish. Now let's see Whiff having a quick run. There's Whiff on the tracks. He's not pulling coaches because he is a rubbish engine. He builds rubbish trucks. Okay. I'm not able to see his windows that are properly painted on. Oh, I can't see them. Let's see Whiff playing the train. Oh, sorry about that. Now let's take a look at Whiff. Whiff wears spectacles, unlike any other engine. Excuse me. He's also pulls the rubbish trucks. He works. Someone has to clean up all the rubbish. And let's see how well. Sorry. Whiff drives full rubbish trucks, and he's scruffy. He's the scruffiest engine, and he needs some rubbish trucks. Anyway, now he's gonna come to a stop. Sorry about that. Now he's gonna come to a stop. There. Now let's take a look at Whiff. His whistle's on the cab right there. Let's take a look at his face. I painted. Excuse me. I took his shell off and painted him. His running plate, like how I normally do. Some engines. And Whiff is also what I like. Anyway, I got Whiff as a birthday present in 2011. December 2011 from some shop, and they didn't have. Right then, I didn't have Gordon or Spencer. But next year I got it. 2012. Now let's see what else Whiff has. Water tanks there. He has no side rods. And he's number 66. Anyway. I like Whiff very much. He's a nice engine. He works with the rubbish dump. And Emily had to help him. Anyway, I'll leave it at you guys. Thanks for watching.